We're at the lake again. We got some good waves coming in. We're about to go play in those things on these tubes, because that's what you do at the lake. Because these woods are full of ticks. Ticks galore out there.
Maybe there's some up there.
Could be some up here. Who knows? If you'd like to see hiking videos in the woods, there's plenty of those on our channel. Just give it a visit, like and subscribe.
I wish I could think of the name of one right now to refer to, but I can't.
It all starts with a cat
Yeah.
named Lakey.
Lakey.